Hello, I'm Gautami. In this video, we'll learn more on bundles visibility. So, bundles visibility refers to the type of visibility you'll be assigning to the bundle. So, here when it comes to bundle visibility, we have three options that we could see. One is private, shared, and public. When it comes to private, so these are accessible only to the users of the bundle owner's account. So you will not be able to share this to other accounts when you set it to private. Shared, so shared bundles are accessible only to the users of the accounts explicitly added to the bundles sharing list. So when you uh, share this bundle to respective account IDs, so only they can access these bundles. Next is public. Public bundles are shared with all Boomi accounts who have access to the bundle URL. So you can learn more on the bundle visibility configuration video. So the bundle can be shared with it is shared or public. You cannot share the bundles for which the bundle visibility is set to private. You can also revoke access to a bundle by changing its visibility to private. So to share a private bundle, select visibility, bundles visibility and select share to share with added accounts or select public to share publicly with any accounts. So that is how you can use this options. So now the bundle owners can share a bundle with others also using two options. One is through account ID, one is through URL. So we can learn all these options in the coming videos. Thank you.